I'm Nancy Laffey from Completely Quilted, and today I'm going to be demonstrating the 9th block from our Atlantis Block of the Month, designed by Southwind Designs. This is called the Lily Ring block. So you're going to have lots of elements and things going on this month. I've got my center pinwheel pieced together, and I've also pieced together my dimensional triangles that I'll need for these next step. Now this little piece is interesting in that it has been folded on the diagonal. So this is a diagonal folded rectangle just glued to a square. This piece is going to get sewn into my dimensional triangle here. So these two will get sewn together. So they get sewn together like this. So as I'm building my blocks, I tend to kind of look ahead a little bit and see what I can do kind of all at once. And so I'm able to kind of make this go a little bit quicker, making sure, wait, hold on. Oh, I've got to position these exactly how they go. Here we are. So I'm going to keep clipping these, and then I'll take these seams here, and I'm going to make 4 of these units. Now that those last sections are done, I'm ready to start piecing my corner units together. So I'm going to fold, sandwich a lilac here in between these and stitch that. So that'll be oriented downward to create my corners. Now that I've finished that folded section, you can see that hides that sun underneath, and then I've glued these triangles on the corner, and now I'm ready to sew these together. So these are my corner units. So I'll sew this little square to here and this together, and I'll have 4 corners, and then I'll be ready to lay out all my elements. So now that all those elements are done, I've laid out my lily ring block, and I'm ready to sew my rows together. And then I'll put my sashings on, and we'll be able to top stitch and finish this cool block. So here is my month 9 lily ring. I've got my sashings on it, and now I just need to do all of my top stitching. And I just think this is so cool how this opens up and reveals that just pop of yellow there. Everything on this top stitching is all just going to be folded over and top stitched. So each bias curve will be folded. Thank you for watching our 9th month, which is the Lily Ring block from the Atlantis Block of the Month.